Hello guys, this is Mark from Online Press TV. In this particular video, I'll be teaching you how to make money online doing a simple task. Very easy. Like in this site that I will show to you now, you'll be able to make at least $3 or $5 or even more than daily, even 10, 20, depending on how serious you are on a daily basis to make money from this site. This can actually go for your children, it can actually go for you if you have the time to do it, and it can actually go for just anybody. So you can teach anybody on how to do this and they will do it and thank you later. It's also of my interest to let you know that this particular method can also be used to grow your website, to grow your YouTube channel, to get comments and whatever, to even drive traffic into Facebook, anywhere at all. But in this method, you have to spend some money, some dollars to do that, because it's actually people coming together to give others tasks that they will do for them. Why the money they deposited in the site will be used to pay for their workers. Like the site is in charge of paying it, money disbursement and whatever. But the task to be done is brought to the site by the prospective client. And if you're a worker there, you also make your money by doing these tasks, and they start paying you from the money the client has deposited with them. You can use phone to do it, you can use laptop, and any of these two you can use it. But I think it goes better with laptop, but actually you can use phone to do it because every single thing there is quite simple. Since you use your phone to access Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, you can use your phone to do it. And as I told you earlier, you can use this to grow your YouTube channel, Instagram handle, Facebook, Instagram page, Facebook handle, anything at all. So what you have to take you is kind of $10 or more, depending on the number of workers you may need in the site. So let's go right into the job. I will show you how you can do it. Thank me later. I will still tell you to subscribe, like, comment and share to your friends why all of us make money together. So let's go direct to the class right now. So first of all, you have to go into your browser and type in rapidworkers.com. The name of the site is Rapid Workers. Alright, this is my account right here. I have to log in. No, I did not click the captcha. I have to click on it and submit. Alright, this is my account here. I've not done anything. You can create your own account. You can choose to be a worker here or a client that can employ others to work for you. So right now, this is it. You can click here to get the latest. From here you'll be able to see the latest tax that people put in that they want people to do for them. So you can see this particular tax here. If you complete it, and it's international, you can do it from any country. It's international, so it means if you do this and finish up with the tax, you'll be paid $0.5. So if you do this like 10 times, you can see you have earned $5 already, and it takes only 3 minutes to do this. That means 10 times, just 30 minutes, you have made $5. 30 minutes of the day, do it 30 minutes, or in all day. I think you'll be able to do it like say 48 times. So 48 times the amount you'll be making, 5 times 48, so that's a lot of money. As if you can do it, that's a lot of money. So look at here, all this one, any of them that you want. This one pays $0.1. Suppose this one pays $1.68. I can come here to sort out the most paying. Click here, you see the most paying. Look at it. The most paying is okay. This is featured in India. Only Indians can do this one. While this one is the United States. This one pays $2.5 on completing this task. And look at here, 17 persons over 20 that checked on it have done this task. They completed it. 17 completed it, but 20 tried it. So these 17 persons, each of them has earned $2.5. Now on the note that you want to be the client here, the person that will have to employ others to work for you. Let's say this person now have started put up this tax here for people to perform 70 persons have done it. 17 times 2.5. And if you bring on your calculator, let's go on with calculator. Alright, that's my small calculator down there. So bring on your calculator. Alright, this is my calculator. You find out that 2.5 by 17 is giving us $42.5. So whatever tax this person might have want people to do for him, which 70 persons have done, he has spent 42 point something dollars. It's quite just simple like that, just as simple as that. Then you that is doing the tax, once you complete it, you will be paid through your PayPal account. PayPal is what they used. You have to register with PayPal, get your PayPal account, your email here, so that anytime you complete any tax, you will be paid. No, you will not be paid directly. Anytime you click for withdrawal, on this page you'll be seeing your balance, the amount you have, the amount you deposited, the amount you've withdrawn. It's here, but the amount you have will be here. And if you have made any money, you'll be able to also see it here. Like, come to this my account here, you'll be able to see your info right here. Now you can check on tax you've been able to finish. I've not done any tax, but if I've done any, you will see it right here. And you can check on your campaign. If you're the client that want people to work for you, you can click on this and check on the campaign and how people are working on it. Depending, running, post by system, whatever you see it here. The blogs, you see it here. And I think this is quite very beautiful. So having known about this, you can use this, like I said before, you can use it to be making money for yourself. If you have the spare time to do this, you can teach others on how to do this so that they make some money for themselves. And you can as well use this to promote whatever you're in your website, your blog. You can use it to pay people. It takes money to make money. If you don't know that, just know it from today. It takes money to make money. So if you have the little cash to spend out to get people to subscribe into your channel, to like, comment, you can use this site to do it. And you can use this to drive traffic to your site. Like so many of them, they're available jobs. So if you check on it while you log on, you see that these people are actually looking for people that will drive traffic to their site. Okay, look at this person. That the person selected people from United States, Canada, and United Kingdom to do this tax. And what you have to be doing is YouTube, watch, like, subscribe, and comment. Just easy. That's what I'm telling you. And it's paying each person $0.1 to do this, and it takes 8 minutes to do it. 18 persons have completed this out of 35. So what is holding you from spending your money to get what you want? So for me, I think I've done a very nice job now to get you more into this, and it's now left for you to do a good job, to do something for yourself and earn money. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this to your friends so that they also as well get to know about it. Thank you very much, and see you next time.